Hello. It is 4 something in the afternoon and I feel like that I just woke up. Tell me why. Like, I feel like I wasted my day. Anyways, I'm just gonna do a week vlog because why not, you know? Just ride along with me, bro, because we riding together. We like this. We should be like this, yeah. I don't know. I have a lot to do, but I also don't have a lot to do. But, I have to get my chores out the way. So I have to go wash dishes, and then after that, I'm going to take a shower and wash my hair because I need to wash my hair. And then we could figure out, like, a style to do. Because I wanna do my hair. I want to do my own hair. So, yeah. So I'll be back after I wash my hair. I just got done washing my hair. I put this hair milk in here. My hair loves it, bro. I have this much hair. So I'm thinking about doing like mini twist because by all means that's what I can do. But I've been tumbling around with a few ideas. So I'm gonna show you those ideas. And my first idea, except for I would do it with the extension hair. Don't necessarily know how to do it, and I would do it smaller. Don't know how to do it, and I don't even know if I have the right hair because it's not gonna look right because this is like silky hair. So we might have to skip that idea. I was gonna do like mini twists like I said, or you know, do the hold on, something like this right here. I was gonna do something like that because I like when my braids are short, or something like this, but I can't cornrow back. So yeah, I want to do something though, you know. I think I'm gonna just go with a mini twist because I like my hair curly, but if I do like mini twist, then I could curl the ends because I have the plastic curlers, and I could just boil the ends because that would be simple. But this hair, I don't know if I should silk it first while I'm like parting my hair, or if I should just, I don't know. It didn't itch the last time I used it, so I think it would be fine without a soak because it doesn't have alkaline in it. So yeah, that's my plan, is doing mini twists. Yeah, I'm gonna part my hair, and I guess I'll be back. I'll be back after I part. Well, no, I gotta dry my hair. So yeah, I'll be back after that. I got done parting my hair. Turn to the back. This ain't even, well, who cares? Nobody's gonna see it but me. I parted the back of my hair, so we're gonna get to braiding. This is gonna be settled with when I get there. How about that? But yeah, we're gonna just start on the back of my hair, just see where it goes. Okay, so it's currently 12:55 a.m. I finished like this much of my hair. It's clipped because it's twisted and I don't want it to unravel. Anyways, I got like this much of my hair left, you know, like, so it's still like half my head, but you know, at least we're getting somewhere. I haven't ate a real meal since like 10 a.m. over 12 hours ago, and I think that I need to eat something because I have a headache. So yeah, we're gonna go warm up my leftovers and whatever. Surprisingly, I'm not tired. If I do get hungry again, I'm gonna put popcorn in the air fryer because I always wanted to put popcorn in the air fryer. Fun fact, I say it in every single video that I'm not inside my room. I love putting in the air fryer. I love it. I don't know why. It's an obsession. If I don't have to use the oven, I'm gonna use the air fryer. If I don't have to use the deep fryer, I'll use the air fryer. If I don't have to use the toaster, I'll use the air fryer. By all means, I know how to use an oven and a toaster. I don't know how to use the deep fryer, so I don't use the deep fryer. Also because I feel like a slug after I use the deep fryer, so I just don't use the deep fryer. I use the air fryer. Also, I'm watching Frozen, so I don't know why. I'm watching Encanto again. That would make this, it would make it my seventh watch, And I think I got the TikTok hips down, so I think I could do it. Hold on. I'm gonna show you an example. Hold on. In my TikTok hips. It's good enough. Of course, things get better with improvement, babes. Like, I'm not gonna be good at TikTok hips first try, but I'm gonna try to be good at TikTok hips. It's just I need to get the base down, and I got it. Trust me, I got it. Maybe that didn't look good, but I got it. Anyways, I'll be back after I eat. I don't think y'all understand. I'm shivering right now because I'm so cold.
Bus, and we'll give them clues. We'll push them in the right direction.
It's currently 9. I want to say like 9:20 something. It's 9:06. Way off. Anyways, it's currently 9:06. I literally just got done dipping my hair, which means that I got done with my hair like an hour ago, which sucks because it's Saturday and I've been in here all day, but you know, whatever. Anyways, my room is like a hot mess. I literally almost tripped. My room is like a hot mess. Here's what it's looking like. Yeah, and I got clean clothes over here. So, I'm going to clean up my room. You'll see a little time-lapse-ity lapse, I guess. I'm gonna clean up my room and, what do I have to do after my room? Oh, I got a package, but I want to open the package after I clean my room. So, we're gonna clean my room. Actually, no, we're gonna open my package. Yeah, we're gonna open my package. I got a package. Okay, so I ordered 2 things. I ordered a new tripod because, in my other video, I don't know if y'all seen that video. If it's out by then, I'm pretty sure it would be out by then, but it's me cleaning up my room. I broke my tripod trying to show you the big pile of stuff that I was going to give away. So, yeah, I ordered a new one, and this one doesn't have a ring light on it, which I'm pretty stoked about because I don't need one. But yeah, this one right here, it gotta go bye-bye. And then I got a bamboo brush because I needed $5 to get free shipping, and I wanted it, so I got it, you know? I got both of those things. I'm gonna use this tripod to film my time lapse of me cleaning my room. So. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you said to my eyes. I know that I can make me clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still I'm next to you. You do. Try not to show. So I feel like you. You is your way. You don't really brush just in case if you wanted to know what it looked like. It's bamboo. It's supposed to massage your head. I'm using this as a shower brush. So, yeah.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want up the lane.
Can y'all guess what day and time it is? Can you? It's 12:40 p.m. on a Monday. Stop. Don't laugh at me. Like, stop. For real. Be fucking for real. Like, stop. Where was I yesterday? Doing my hair. We'll get to it in a minute. I had to redo my whole head because it turned out fucking ugly, bro. I don't have any pictures, so don't ask. But, I redid my hair. I just have to curl the ends. I meant to wake up at like 8 something, but I noticed that I wasn't sleeping throughout the night. Like, it felt like that I was just laying there in the dark, and I don't appreciate that. I like to prioritize my sleep. I want to make sure that I get enough sleep. So I just turned off the alarm, and now it's me at 12:40 something, and I feel like I just wasted the day because I have 5 hours to get my shit together. But I kind of already planned the day in the midst of while I was laying here. So I have to curl the ends of my hair. After I do that and after that dries, well, I'm gonna take a shower, curl the ends of my hair, of course do skincare and shit, make something to eat, and then I'm gonna dry the ends of my hair so I could make TikToks, because I didn't get to make TikToks over the weekend because I've been stuck doing my hair the whole weekend. And by the whole weekend, I mean like from waking hours to sleeping hours. Like, it's been really depressing. I haven't seen my family since Friday. I've seen them, but I haven't like hung out with them. And if you didn't know, my love language is quality time. So yeah, it's really damaging, but I did spend some quality time with myself, and I watched Aladdin twice. I watched Beauty and the Beast, I watched Aladdin, I watched Encanto, I watched Mulan, that's it. But I watched Aladdin twice, and I might just watch it a third time today. I might just get off my whole Encanto hype. If you don't know me, I love the movie Encanto. I'm on my 7th watch. So, I might just get off my Encanto hype, and I might just go directly to Aladdin hype, you know? Because he's such a slick charmer. Like, stop. No, because I can hear you laughing at me. Like, no, stop. Like, for real, stop. Anyways, but he's such a charmer. Like, ooh, he's kind of cute. Like, you know, but that movie is just hitting right now. I slept in. I wasn't supposed to, but technically, I'm gonna count this as my weekend day, and I have to film a YouTube video, but I can film it tomorrow if I just edit today. I guess that we'll just get into it, bro. I just got done, not curling my hair, like I haven't dipped it yet. I just put it in the curlers. I had to take a break because I'm starving. I'm really starving, and I don't know what to eat because all we have is like pizza rolls and fries. Don't judge me. I mean, yeah, we could be healthier, but what? Like, we're still young, so I might just put those in the air fryer and call it a fucking day, because this ain't it. I don't know what they put in these, but they're like crack. They're crack to me. It's still wet. Okay, it's been like 20 minutes. Can we get a better angle? Can we get a better angle, please? So it's been not long. I feel like that it's been 20 minutes because my hand is cramping up. But yeah, it should be completely dry. At least I believe that it's completely dry because, again, it's been like 20 minutes. So we're gonna take this out. Hopefully it turned out really well, because if it didn't, I'm going to cry.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Bro, you can't tell me. Hold on, because if this ate, and then I could do a little. Yeah, bitch. Hold on. Because you know, I always gotta look at it from a different angle every single time, you know? If I ate, bitch, I think I ate. I don't know about y'all. I think I fucking ate. I ate this shit. I gobbled it up. I'm gonna blow it out some more because it's still wet. No, cause I think I ate. Okay, I gotta send a picture to Tonia, so I'll be back. I in fact did not come back. I think that this vlog is a good stopping point, also because I have no more footage of the week, and the week is over. So yeah. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because I am on all these sites very frequently. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.